right, here we are at the northwest corner of the IM Circle building. That's the new music hall, new music building on the other side of West Circle Drive. So we're at Beale Street and West Circle Drive, and that's Kalamazoo Street. And behind us is the Kalamazoo Street Bridge and the Sparty statue, but we are going to go a little bit north here and look at some of the old north side residence halls. It's Williams up there. The river flows right across the road down the hill a little bit. So you see some of the gorgeous residence halls that date back to the turn of the last century. That's Yakeley, looking awesome. And coming up on Landon. Hello. Hi. And Mayo Hall over there, in between the two. That's Walter Adams Field, named after one of the former presidents of the university. That's the new music hall. And this is the Coles house, the president's residence. Just got some huge renovations. Sure is looking nice. It's one of the older buildings still on campus. Over there, well, this is Campbell Hall behind Landon. And that's the student union building. It has food court and credit union location and coffee shop and all kinds of other goodies. That's the historic circle, Beaumont Tower in the center there. Great place to sit up in front of the tower. Thank you. And crossing over here to the Student Union building. There's also a dairy store there that a few people know about. Lines are always much shorter there, and it's just inside this east entrance to the Union building. That's Human Ecology. And another parking ramp. The site of Morrill Hall, which was one of the oldest halls on campus that had to be demolished a few years back. And that's Linton Hall there off in the distance. It used to be the library of the university and the administration building. So inside this car ramp, the Grand River ramp, just across the street from East Lansing along Grand River, hence the name, we have a secure bike parking facility that anybody can use. So you can lock your bike up here over winter or over summer. And secure card access. We call it the MSU Bike Garage, the north. We also have one in the south. All right.